Hello world Genergy on the ground. Well, today we have a special episode that you'll absolutely enjoy because we're diving into the car's starting system, including generators and the starter motor connected to a battery. Okay, we know these parts, but we'll explore lesser known systems like I.S.G in detail. Integrated starting system in the alternator that we do not know so much, and at Energy that we always like the technology agreed to you. We already talked about electronic injection in our Azores. Today we have to talk about Roda, that equipment that many of you are looking for the starter for and cannot find. So we are going to do the intro, we are going to unbox, and we are going to take it out of the box, and we are going to discover the system. Come on now and discover this fascinating system with I.S.G. Let's open it. Let's see how it comes. Well, the Rodat. Here is a non-soundproof inverter with very high energy efficiency. Well, as always, we have the manual with the email and phone for orders. Or by entering in Genergy.ts. We can also request collection in case we have a YSPV breakdown, because to talk to technical service via email, we are going to leave it here. Well, as always, the bag is great. How nice, how clean, how good it comes when the equipment is new. Well, the trick to take this equipment out as it comes without putting oil or anything, we would take it up as I'm alone. There's another way to do it that's like this. Do you see that? Simple. Here is the equipment, very well, perfect. Good to be a team. What do we see here? Hope I'm going to focus it a little better there to be a 3800 watt equipment. It's not that heavy either. It doesn't need wheels because one person alone can put it in the car. Get out of the car? Well, yes, it's true, but notice what I told you. If we look for the starter motor in this generator, we're not going to find it. There's no starter. Here we have the two plugs, the battery charger to charge external batteries, to charge a battery, and the service keys. Well, cars have been around for years. Well, you have always seen that in the car there is a starter motor, the starter motor. Well, I have some of these here. Where do I have it back here? Look at this, the starter motor is this. In the car and in the generators we found this piece. Well, this piece, because maybe the one I have in my hand easily weighs 4 kilo, but in a car it weighs even more. Then there is the battery, etc., but this piece already weighs. In cars you have to add this piece plus the alternator, which produces the energy to store it to recharge the battery. When we add those two parts in the cars, we already have a great weight. When hybrids came, hybrid cars realized it would be good to lighten those weights. Well, in hybrid cars, here I leave you an image, the alternator. And the starter motor is one piece, just like this high-tech generator. As for starting, look, this piece you see here is the alternator of an equipment. Inverter goes with this and goes with this dish. If you realize it is similar to the motor of a scooter or to this piece that I am showing you about hybrids. That is, this equipment can produce energy when the engine is running, rotating, but it can also rotate to start the engine. That's called I.S.G or integrated starter system in the generator. It's the same in the gasoline engines of hybrid cars. It's very advanced technology. What Genergy? Well, at Genergy we have allowed ourselves to join this team, which is why you will not find the starter motor. That's why this equipment, despite 3800 watts, has the advantage of weighing a little less, because we were saying these 4 or 5 kg that this weighs, well, it's not here. Okay, that's the big plus, it has an easy start. The starting power of this motor which in this case is the generator that becomes a motor when it is summoned from the outside by the battery, since it will start the battery very quickly, which is not easy to find, but which is found here. Okay, right here's the battery. Okay, we will learn how to change the battery of this generator and get it started. Don't worry about this channel. It leaves you already summoned for the day we set it up. Today I just want you to know this wonderful team that has me in love. This and its big brother, the Pharaoh, are two teams that we always have to think about when we need a lot of power in a very small space. Remember the Cretans, 7500 watts in a little square. Well, that's 3800 watts in a space, as you can see, very small, with a 224cc engine. The picture is a picture because it is very pleasant, very friendly, where we have to be. Here we would be starting and here we would be stopping. It is the one button economizer system. Here I have the plug to hook and charge an external car battery, etc. My 2 Zeta specs. 16 amps. Come on, if it's really wonderful. Well, we are going to leave this video here because this will not give games to make other videos at the level of knowledge. Is that a good idea? Well, more information on Genergy.es on this page that today I present to you again here with the line that you are seeing from the open inverters. I agree, it's not just the rolling. Although Roda is the smallest and our phones, our emails are at your disposal for any query you want to ask us. And very important also, as it is not forbidden to stop learning.